Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Stuffy nose today. Just took an allergy pill, should sort itself out. Today we're infiltrating a BMW Cars and Coffee, featuring Mr. Justin Bice, who, if you're not familiar with, he does a lot of YouTube and Instagram content on his clean F30, like the cleanest F30 probably in the US. He's posting some pictures of him detailing it yesterday, and I was like, I can't show up with a dirty car. So I spent a little bit on the interior, a little bit on the exterior, got it nice and dialed. We have about a 21-minute drive to BMW of Bloomfield Hills for their Cars and Coffee event. Will I be the only Audi there? Probably. We'll find out. We'll see. I got to text Stan too. I think he may be coming in the F80 if he's not sleeping. Got a clean E46 right here. He just did the exact same thing I did. There was some water in the road and we both just went into the other lane. I guarantee you this guy's going the same place I am, so I'll get out and say what's up. He gave me a thumbs up in my car. I returned the thumb right back. Thing is clean. He's got a BBS license plate too. I gotta see those wheels. Look at the color on the X3M, that's so sick. I know the license plate's avocado. I've seen this car before. What I'm not sure is the actual factory color. I think it is, I don't know. Somebody that's smarter than me, let me know. Is it avocado green? Is that Austin yellow?
I don't really know the colors.
Because I know on the M4, like the F80 and F82s, pretty sure they made an Austin yellow, but I don't know if it's that color on those.
Color, honestly.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Would you get it?
No, I wouldn't own it. I think it looks
like
cool.
This green, actually.
I know, I was just looking at it.
Plate.
Yeah, avocado. Doesn't look stock either. E60 M5. You did give it a little rip. This is my favorite color on new BMWs, the Isle of Man green. Ooh, interior spec though. I don't know about the interior, but Isle of Man green, that's the one, ladies and gents. This on a G80. Oof. Oh man. They're making it really tempting not to switch back over. We got some fun ones over here. Clean E92. And this is the E46 that I was riding with on the way here. Oh man, that's a pretty one. That thing is low. I don't know, running a carbon fiber lip in Michigan is risky. Sweet though. I think it's blue. I think that is blue. I gotta find the owner of this car. So far, still the only Audi here, which is hilarious. But there is a Mercedes. There's an AMG GT over yonder. I think that's it for now. Stan said he's going to show up probably at 9, so maybe half hour from now. Leaving a little open parking spot here, but it is cool to compare these two cars because the F30 and the B9 are really comparable kind of sedans anyways. And there are so many videos on YouTube just comparing these two platforms and like the Mercedes C43. It's cool to see them side by side, especially because Justin's is a clean example, just like a properly done car. We got to sneak over and see the interior of this car because he just did a lot of work on it, and it is like a one-off spec. Absolutely the cleanest interior I've probably ever seen on it. That is wicked. That red looks so good.
Yeah.
I know you spent so much time on that. It shows.
What do you think? Does it match pretty good?
It looks insane. Yeah.
People were saying it didn't match.
So I'm colorblind.
Oh.
So you're not going to get a good answer from me, but it looks awesome.
But that's the best answer. It looks great, right?
That's what I'm saying. Like, if you told me that like was a factory option to come stock like that, I would believe you. That looks so good.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course. We've got some more cars pulling in. It's getting busy, man. Some stuff pulled over into this other lot too. Quite possibly the coolest license plate here. We got a little jiggle plate. Clean G82. Super cool color on this. It's got a cage too. Wow. Racing seats. This will be a fun track car. Really like the white on these G82s. CSL too. Ooh, it's a cool spec, man. Is that a factory trunk lid? I am not very familiar with these cars, but if that's a factory trunk lid, that's pretty dang cool. I think I've seen that E92 out and about also. I did see another S4 pull in. So I don't know if he parked. He like drove all the way around there. So if we see him again, we'll have to Get a little shot of that car. It's a B8.5. Oof, E92 sounds good. Then we've got, let's see, M8 Competition Grand Coupe with a little exhaust on there. And then Alpine White's F80. Cool comparison right here, actually. Excuse the wind, but. So we've got F30 modified, clean, F80, unknown mods, clean. But here's the difference between like the M car and the 340. Very clean cars. B58 plate on Justin's. It's getting a little windy, had a little rain come through, just a little sprinkling, nothing major, but rain or shine, cool event. Got to check out this thing. I feel like it's going underappreciated over here. This guy. This is a rare car. You don't see a lot of these B6 Alpinas. So when one pops up, I like to take a good gander. Things are pretty sweet. The iconic wheels, and of course the interior is just super clean. It's filling up, man. We got here at a good time. I just walked by the coffee line and it's like 25 people deep, so definitely a good time. Yeah, there's a bunch of people here. It's busy, man. It's busy. Stan, looking at my wristwatch here, brother. I think you're a little late. We've hit the stage of people just driving around aimlessly because I think we're out of parking spots. Looks like one just freed up here. That 7 Series moved on, but it's getting busy, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't expect there to be this many people. The G82 plate on the G82 is pretty freaking cool. This is a sick build. The blue is a wrap. And these DRLs can change any color. Pretty sweet. Everybody seems to be taking off. It's right at 10 o'clock here, so we got a couple cars leaving. Little 7 Series. Tip. Surprise, I ran out of room on my phone. My storage was full, so I was like, great, I can't delete anything right now. That M4 actually ended up doing a wheelie and then crashing and then doing 3 barrel rolls in the air and then killing 10 people. It was insane. Wish you guys could have seen it, but I ran out of room on my phone. So appreciate you guys watching. What a fun event from BMW. Just cool people, cool event, amazing coffee, free crepes. I did not indulge in the crepe eating. The line was super long, so they must have been really good crepes. But I encourage you guys, if you are this far in the video, go check out Justin's video on this. It was like watching a movie. He did kind of more like a cinematic style than like a vlog style like I did. And he's got a channel about 10 times as large as I do. So go check him out. Link is going to be in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Appreciate you guys watching. Until the next one, we'll see ya.